The food was very nice and delicious, and it was good service.
Especially the halwa puri, very nice.
Very nice.
Lovely service. The scouts were very, very nice. It was lovely to have them welcome us, and it was a lovely breakfast as well.
Yeah.
Thank you very
Thank
much.
This restaurant was really nice. The food was really good. The hospitality was really good. Everybody was really nice, and we're hoping to come back here maybe one day again. The next plans, we'll see what the next few days hold. And the hospitality from everyone here was really good. Everyone here was really supportive and very nice to speak to.
Assalamu alaikum, my name's Nisba Hussain and we've come today to this fantastic restaurant. It's been a really great experience. The food was delicious, the Pakistani scouts were great, and it's a really great place to visit. The children have all really enjoyed the food, so I highly recommend it.
What do you know about journey from Pakistan?
Okay, so we've travelled from the UK, so we had a really long journey. We've been travelling for 24 hours to get to Pakistan. So we travelled from Manchester all the way to Islamabad.
Last message about Pakistan.
So we're really excited. I haven't been to Pakistan for 17 years, so we're really excited to come and see Pakistan, see what it has to offer, and inshallah we'll have a fantastic time with lots of good memories.
And alhamdulillah, we've had a very lovely breakfast at this place, and we've just come here and we're going to be going to Islamabad very shortly. This is the first time for me in Pakistan. My wife has been here a few times with her family, but for me this is the first time in Pakistan. Yes.
How you are feeling in the Pakistan?
Alhamdulillah, I found been welcomed, and everybody is very hospitable.
Arslan from the Pakistan Boy Scout Association. ये यूके स्काउट्स का डेलीगेशन जो कि वज़ीराबाद में हमने उन्हें वेलकम किया स्काउट के बिहाफ पे ग्लोरियस पिज़्ज़ा के उन्हें ब्रेकफास्ट दिया, जिसकी अब ब्रेकफास्ट करने के बाद ये इस्लामाबाद की तरफ मूव करेंगे। बेसिकली ये ऑफिशियल टूर्स पाकिस्तान बॉय स्काउट एसोसिएशन की तरफ से आया है यूके स्काउट्स डेलीगेशन का। बेसिकली स्काउट जो कि एक तहरीक है, पाकिस्तान की पॉजिटिव तहरीक है, जिसको पूरी दुनिया में सेलिब्रेट किया जाता है। उसी हवाले से ये कुछ स्काउट्स जो कि यूके से विज़िट करने आए हैं पाकिस्तान का। थैंक यू।